Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about different beautiful hijabs, and these are so special headwears, which is head scarves, and these are all different beautiful in different beautiful styles. Now this video is an idea to you guys, whoever is hijabi girl, to them that how they can wear hijabs to look stunning, beautiful, yet so elegant, by having idea from this video about different colors and different styles to wear hijab. Dear viewers, this is an idea to you how you can wear your scarves just by putting an undercap inside your hijab and having a bun at the back of your head so that your hijab stays properly and it will look really gorgeous. If you guys are searching for beautiful colors that you can wear on black and different color abayas, then this video is ideal for you guys so that you can wear from among these colors. Look at the stunning green color and how well it goes on white. I personally like this one more, which is so decent color. Gray always is a very nude color which don't pop up much and looks really subtle and makes you look gorgeous. And dear viewers, I wanted to share a thing with you, that is, I also have my social networking IDs, which is Instagram, Twitter, my website, and I'm also on Pinterest. If you guys would like, then please follow me there as well. Links to all of them are in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me there as well. Look at this beautiful white hijab, and look at this yellow pashmina. How beautiful is this? And look at this maroon color. All of these are extremely gorgeous, and I personally love these colors. It's so cool, and I am pretty sure that you will love it too. And my lovely viewers, before we move further, take a moment and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and beside that hit the notification bell, so whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified about it and you can be the first one to click it. Also, dear viewers, your love and support means a lot to me. If you can share this video with your family and friends, then please, I am grateful for your unconditional love. And let me know down in the comment box below, what topic on should I make video that you would love to watch. Share this video on your social networking sites as well. Share it on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Lovely viewers, these are different ideas in which you can style up yourself and look really gorgeous. I am 100% sure that it will look really great on you as well. These are some of the Turkish hijab wear which looks so great on every girl that who would style them in this way. It's all about just a silk scarf which you can tuck with a pin at the front and of the left borders of it, you can just put it back onto the shoulder and you will look really gorgeous and good to go. How pretty and extremely attractive are these all. And this is the simplest way you can wear your headscarves and head out. It will look super great. And dear viewers, don't forget to put a hijab cap under your hijab scarf, because it helps it to stick on at the right place so it doesn't move a lot. Lovely viewers, if your scarf and your hijab still moves, then you can just stuck it with berry pins so it doesn't allow the scarf to move from your head and it doesn't come out by time. Also, if you would wear chiffon hijab, that stays on your head for much longer as it is. And if you secure it at the front with a safety pin, your scarf will be as it is and you can keep your hijab weight all along the day. Dear lovely viewers, don't forget to leave a beautiful comment down below, because it really motivates me to make more videos for you and I get idea that what are your preferences to watch. And if you want Dubai abaya design and Dubai burqas, comment down below. I'll upload that video for you guys so you'd enjoy to watch that as well. Which hijab material do you like to wear? Is it silk, chiffon, or pleated ones, cotton, or some other? Comment down below so I'll get an idea, and if you want me to upload video according to those, I will definitely for you lovely viewers. How gorgeous is this? I personally love chiffon material so that it's really lightweighted and easy to carry it all day long. And dear viewers, look at this pretty white one. Even the abaya looks so cute, and the beautiful polka dot scarves. And this is a knitted headwear, which is also ideal for those who don't prefer wearing long scarves. Look at this floral printed beautiful lightweighted scarves, and most of these are so pretty and so beautiful. I'm 100% sure that you would love wearing them as well and watching this, and you might even have idea from this video so that you can style up and look really gorgeous. I'm thankful to all those who had subscribed me and keep always supporting me and kept sharing my videos. And to those who are new at my channel, welcome. I upload videos about latest fashions, daily designs, which is really beautiful. And I'm thankful to all of you who are watching my videos. These are all simple hijab ideas, yet so modest and beautiful to wear that you will look stunning and great on all these if you wear. And this is the most prettiest styles, so beautiful. Okay guys, that was much for today's video. Until next, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and for more such updates, stay tuned on Stylish Design. I'll be there with next videos. Until then, take care of yourselves and your families and your loved ones.